Look back. Look back. Look at me. Okay, come on. Ride. Ride again. Start. Come on, do it again. Do it again. Again. Start. What's your name? What's your name? Where is fan? Show me fan. Where is fan? Show me fan. Where is fan? Where is fan? Yes, good girl. Where is sister? Where is sister? Yes. What, Havisha? What's your name? What class are you studying now? Which school are you studying in? What is today? No. Very good. Monday, Havisha, not Tuesday. Monday. Next. How old are you now? What's your hometown? What's your village? What's your post? What's your mandal? What's the pin code of Chintalpeta? 168. How many districts are there in Andhra Pradesh? 13. What are they? 13 districts. Read slowly now. Louder. Slowly. Srikakulam. Anantapur. Very good. What do you want to become when you grow up? What is your sister's name? What does she want to become? What do you want to become? What do you want to become? Okay. How many numbers do you know? What's your teacher's name? What's your teacher's name? Show me your teeth. Raise your hands. Kneel down. Jump up high. Turn around. Stop. Do 10 sit-ups. Enough. Good girl. What's your favorite program? What's your favorite food? Biryani. What's your favorite curry? Where is beach? RK Beach. Visakhapatnam. What time do you wake up early? What time do you wake up every day? What time do you wake up? 6 what time do you go to bed? 10 o'clock. Next, what's your bike's company? What's your bike's company? What is your bike?